SpriCAD for Revit – Hydraulic calculations for your sprinkler system. Create hydraulic calculations for your sprinkler system directly in your Revit model. All the information combined in one model will ultimately speed up the execution of your project, whether for design, installation planning or revision drawing. Open your Revit project. Our plugin SpriCAD appears automatically in the menu bar, adapted to the procedure for configuring your project from configuration to calculation. SpriCAD for Revit consists of two modules. The first one collects and analyzes all your objects in Revit. The information is then transferred by transfer files to the proven calculation program SpriCAD. The actual calculation is then performed in SpriCAD with the corresponding pump assignment. First, you need the basic data for the sprinkler system. After only 6 steps, our program will take you from configuration Revit to the calculation. Some of our features reduce calculation time by shut-off areas in large plans, as in this example. Select which system types should be calculated by the Revit configuration. Are you unsure which are the right ones? Use our display tool. Assign your families to our program and don't worry about equivalent length of elbows, fittings, alarm valves, butterfly valves or check valves. They will be automatically recognized by the program and included in the calculation. In the SpriCAD configuration, the equivalent length of the installed objects such as pipes, teeth, elbows, gate valves, non-return valves and alarm valves are set. Equivalent length can be found in the manufacturer's documentation. In the first column, enter the dimensions of the pipe used, and in the second column, enter the inner diameter of the pipe. Some lists are already supplied. Independent from whatever you draw in Revit, the pipe list is used for the calculation. In the SpriCAD configuration, you can manage your pumps. Some pump lists of well-known manufacturers are already available. However, you can also define your own pump based on an existing pump curve. Set some points to define the curve so that you can display it later in the diagram. Here's the picture of our pump curve after the calculation. In the project data, 3 working methods are available for calculation. Specify the pressure at the feed-in point. Set the most unfavorable sprinkler by yourself. The most unfavorable sprinkler is calculated automatically. This is the most common way of working. Select the number of the most unfavorable operation area that you have previously defined in the sprinkler data. If desired, calculation of flow time is possible. Use the Darcy-Weisbach formula as required. Standard is the Hazen-Williams formula. Now let's determine the feed-in point, preferably a family with one insert point like the end cap. In the sprinkler dialog, enter the sprinkler data required for the calculation. The sprinklers are called up, marked and then edited in a separate dialog. Here you can assign numbers to the sprinklers for the most unfavorable area. The most unfavorable area number appears automatically in the project data and can be selected. Sprinkler data can be edited in the Revit Properties window too. Set pipe data also in the Revit properties. Here, for example, the equivalent length. All preparations are completed. The calculation can be started. The calculation results are shown in the calculation sheets of SpriCAD. The compilation of the results corresponds to the requirements of the surveyors. Result filters facilitate the search for problematic points in the pipe system. For example, high flow velocities are highlighted. Get now your demo version of SpriCAD for Revit as an unlimited full version for 14 days free of charge.